Hey guys, what's going on? This is Tyler from Nelly Security, and today we are going to install an NVR hard drive. If you purchase an NVR and a hard drive at the same time from Nelly Security, we will actually install that hard drive and format it for you. But you may find yourself in a situation where you either need to replace your NVR's hard drive or add an additional hard drive. In that case, it's always helpful to know how to do this. The supplies you need will actually come with your NVR. We have these cables here, which we will use to connect our hard drive to the NVR, and we have the screws, which will hold the hard drive in place. So the first step is to take a screwdriver and just open up your NVR. Depending on which brand of NVR you have, and the size of your NVR, this may look a little different, but the concept is the same. First, we need to connect the hard drive to power using the power cable. We also need to connect the interface using the SATA cable. If you have a larger NVR, there may be multiple interfaces here for multiple hard drives. And if you have a smaller NVR, you might not even need these cables at all, as the hard drive could just connect directly into the interface. Once your hard drive is connected, it's time to fasten it into place. You do this with those 4 tiny screws. And there we go, our hard drive is now installed in our NVR. But our work is not done, because before we can use these hard drives to start recording footage, we have to format them. Let me show you how to do this with all 3 of our brands here at Nelly Security. First, let's start with H-Series. Alright, here we are with our H-Series NVR pulled up. Now, most of the time when you turn your NVR on for the first time after installing a new hard drive, you will get a pop-up here saying that there is an unformatted hard drive that needs formatting. From there, you can simply click Format. But if it doesn't pop up automatically, here's how you can get to it from the menu. We are just going to right-click, and we are going to go into the menu. We're going to go into Storage, Storage Device, and here we see our 1 terabyte hard drive. I'm going to go ahead and click the checkbox next to it and click this Initialize button. It's going to erase all the data on the hard drive. Yes, we want to continue. And it is going to take a few minutes here. We can see the progress as it initializes. And there we go. Our hard drive is now ready to go. Let's go ahead and jump onto the R-Series NVR and see how to do it from there. Alright, we're in the R-Series NVR now, and it's pretty much the same concept. We're going to come down here to the bottom and click Setup. We are going to type in our password, which for R-Series NVRs is just admin 789. And we're going to unlock it, go into Device and Disk, and here we have our hard drive. We are going to click the checkbox and click Format. We're going to have to put in our password one more time, admin 789, and hit Authenticate. And again, it's going to go through that formatting process, and we get to see that progress go across the screen. And there we go, our format is complete. And last but not least, we have our UniView NVR pulled up here, and it's going to be the same thing. We are going to right-click, go into the menu, and we're going to come down here to Storage, Hard Disk, and we see our unformatted disk here, so we're going to click that, and then click Format. Formatting will erase the data, yes. And now it is, the status is normal, so our hard drive is formatted. And that's really all there is to it. Like I said, this is pretty simple to do, so if you find yourself in a situation where you're needing to install or replace a hard drive, you can do so very quickly and very easily. Click the links below to check out all of our NVRs and hard drives at Nelly Security, and let us know if you have any questions or if there is anything that we can help you with. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us across social media so you never miss another security video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.